For this experiment, we're gonna need a glass of water, food color, and oil. So now we're gonna put this thing in there. Let's put in food color and the oil. Also, water after the blue one. So now we're gonna mix it. And it turned little. Before it was big, now it turned little. So now we're gonna look inside. I see little dots in there. And that's how we made the experiment. It smells like coffee. So we mixed it so it turned into little dots. So now we're gonna put, it's the same color. It's also one color. It came to fireworks. Look inside. It turned into big fireworks. And now it's becoming to one color. Whoa, it's fireworks. It's becoming to fireworks now. Wow. It's turning different colors. Wow. Wow. It's so cool. It's going all the way to the bottom. But this turned into all fireworks. Now I can see the water. It's all black now. Now we're going to put the food color and the oil. Only just two. Red and blue. So first we're going to put red. And the other color is blue. Blue, blue, blue. And now I'm gonna look at it. It's big dots. And when I mix whole, now become two small dots. Because before it was big and the other one, now it's small. And now we're gonna put it in here. Let's see what happens. It be coming to fireworks. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, it's coming to fireworks. It's looking like clowns. Whoa. also see the bubbles. Wow. Whoa! Yay! Because we put red and blue now, it mixes into purple. Red and blue makes purple. So that's how the fireworks does. What's E5? I wonder why. I can do Other side. Cut the parts. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm gonna make cookie cutter. Pat a cake, baker's man. Make me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it, roll it, mark it where to be. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so they can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Yeah!
What are you making?
Kebab. For Nani. And when I cut it, look what just came.
What are you making? Dinosaur kebabs for Nani?
No, it just came like that. Now I'm putting the egg in there. Yellow egg I need. I need the yellow egg. The kebab.
What are you making?
Kebab. For Nani. And when I cut it, look what just came.
What are you making? Dinosaur kebabs for Nani?
No, it just came like that. Now I'm putting the egg in there. Yellow egg I need. I need the yellow egg. The kebab. Play-Dough time. It's Play-Dough time. So here are different tools. We got everything is purple as a snake. And I'm cooking meatball. And that's how we're gonna play Play-Doh. And that's how they're gonna play Play-Doh. I got the cart. I'm cutting my piece. And that's Jenna playing the Play-Doh. Jenna, talk to them. Hi. Jenna, make a ball. Roll it like this.
No. Oh no!
Cut it, Jenna.
No! No!
I'm cutting my things. Meatball! I'm cutting meatball peels. Meatball.